Welcome at English Solutions channel. Today's topic of discussion is pronouns. Pronouns are substituting words. Pronouns are used in place of noun. By definition, pronouns are the words that replace a noun or noun phrase. For example, I, my, you, he, these are pronouns. And types of pronouns, in different books you will find that pronouns are categorized in different categories, and briefly I mention some types of pronouns as personal pronouns. As the name tells, personal pronouns are used to replace a person's name. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, him, her, etc. Second category of pronoun is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show the position of a noun. For example, my, your, our, his, her, its, their. And third category of pronouns are indefinite pronouns. As the name tells, indefinite pronouns do not point to any particular noun. For example, everyone, few, some, anything, nobody, etc. Next category of pronouns is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns tell about the relationship of pronoun in respect to noun. For example, who, which, whoever, whomever, whichever, that. And fifth category of pronouns are intensive pronouns. Intensive pronouns are those pronouns which emphasize nouns or pronouns. For example, myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, themselves. Sixth category of pronouns is demonstrative pronoun. As the name tells, demonstrative pronouns show or point out. For example, this, that, these, those, and such. And seventh category of pronouns is the interrogative pronouns, and they are used for asking questions. We know so many pronouns we use for asking questions like who, whom, which, etc. Next category of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. These words are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. I am repeating this, that one word that is used to show the subject and object of a sentence in respect to the same person or thing. Examples are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, etc. And one more category of pronouns I would like to inform, that is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are those pronouns which express about mutual relationships. Examples are each other and one another. After definition and types of pronoun, I would like to discuss the forms of personal pronouns as they are changed in different cases. As you can see in the chart, in nominative case, in first person we use I and we. In second person we use you. In third person we use he, she, it, and they. In possessive case, in first person we use my, mine, our, and ours. In second person, your and yours are used. In third person, his, her, hers, its, their, and theirs are used. In accusative case, in first person we use me and us. In second person, you is used. In third person, him, her, it, and them is used. And now we have to discuss about the functions of pronoun. First function of the pronoun is as the subject of a verb. For example, he likes me. In this sentence, he is working as a subject and there is no name is mentioned, so it is pronoun. Second function is as the object of the verb. For example, Joy likes her a lot. In this sentence, her is used as the object of the verb. So it is also a pronoun. Third function is the complement of the verb. For example, the winner was he. Here he is used as complement of the verb. In fourth, as an object of the preposition. There is one example sentence, he want to play with you. In this, you is presented as the object of the preposition. And fifth function is as apposition to a noun. In a sentence, the boys, those who killed the rat have gone. Those is used as apposition to a noun. And before concluding this video, I would like to mention two things, that his is used both as an adjective and as a pronoun. So according to the function we can decide that it is adjective or pronoun. One more thing, the pronoun of the third person are used in three genders, as he is masculine, she is feminine, and it is neuter. So it is a general overview about pronouns. Thank you viewers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel English Solutions. Thank you.